Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shaz. If you're interested in hip-hop dance and hip-hop music and hip-hop culture, you can follow me to level up your dance and musicality. Today we're gonna learn how to identify the specific drum patterns in hip-hop tracks and freestyle with drum patterns. So don't miss out today's tutorial. First thing you need to know is what is the drum pattern? A drum pattern is a repeated rhythm establishing the groove through the pulse and subdivision, played on drum kits and other percussion instruments. Each drum pattern has three essential instruments. 1. Kick. 2. A snare. 3. Hi-hat. And also the other percussion instruments that depends on the producer's choice. Now we're going to hear a song and identify the kick pattern. Come on. If you identify the kick pattern, I'm so happy for you. But if you didn't, no problem. Now we're going to identify the kick together. So focus on my hands and I will show you the kick pattern of this song. This song has a very simple drum pattern. The kick is like boom boom, boom boom, boom boom. Let's go to hear another song. This drum pattern was a little bit tricky to understand, but you can find it and you can identify it by listening to it carefully, and also you can write the drum pattern to, for example, you can write the kick pattern to remember it. Then you can dance with it. Now we are going to listen to snare layers in the songs. Let's go practice together. Identifying the snare layers in drum pattern is the simplest one because the snare is on the beat 2 and 4 and repeated for the whole song. In some hip-hop tracks, the snare maybe follow a different pattern, but usually in hip-hop tracks we can hear the snare on the beat 2 and 4. Let's go to listen to a snare of another song. Now let's go to find the hi-hat. Okay, the hi-hat is like the hi-hat in hip-hop tracks can follow the melody and the harmony of the song, but usually the hi-hat is on the 8th note, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can simply find it in the song. If you want to be good at musicality in hip-hop dance, you have to listen to music more and more because ear training is very important thing that people usually don't pay attention to it. Now we're going to freestyle in every layer that we are listening to. Follow me to get familiar to how can we dance in these instruments. Remember that kicks in hip-hop music songs are at medium speed. or clap in hip hop tracks is at the lowest speed. Hi-hat in hip hop tracks at the highest speed. Now let's combine all the layers together and freestyle with the drum pattern. To identify the drum pattern and then freestyle with them. If you want to know more about the musicality or freestyle dance in every layers, please subscribe my channel and keep practice. See you soon. Bye bye.